There are times when we all feel down and out. For instance, when you are unable to score the desired grades, even after having worked very hard for it, or when you don't achieve your goal as planned, or say when you are not able to keep up with your study schedule. In such situations, you may feel very low and your confidence level is at the lowest point. That is when you should remember that you are not alone. Great leaders, successful people, and great achievers that we know have also experienced this in their life. But how do they handle this? What do they do to emerge so victorious in life? They all had one secret weapon in common. That is their self-confidence that helped them to rise each time they fell. Today, I am going to share with you 9 effective tips and methods to develop your self-confidence, and if you follow these 9 points, which I have been following for the past many years, nothing can stop you from reaching the top of life. My name is Arvind and this channel is all about helping you learn faster. If you are interested in learning and improve your memory power, then consider subscribe this channel and click the bell notification. First point. Keep away from negative people. Sometimes when you are in good spirits, someone from somewhere, maybe your friend or even your relative, might bring down your confidence on one single stroke by saying something negative and depressing. There are some others who criticize you all day long. These are the kinds of people who find fault with everything that you do, and they have only one goal in their life: not to let anyone surpass or outshine them. They would do anything to put you down and not letting you grow in your life. They need 3 things from you to achieve their goal. First, they want you to listen to them and then want you to react to what they say, and then in the end, they want you to lose your confidence completely. Beware of such people, identify them, avoid them, or keep away from them. Otherwise, these kinds of people completely drain you of all your positivity and you will become a lump of clay in their hands and they will mold you in all shapes that they want. Your progress in life then becomes a question mark. So never ever entertain them at any cost. Nothing wrong in keeping such people at a distance. My second point, be confident while you speak. I have come across lots of people who are well read and are very knowledgeable, but that doesn't come across when they speak. They speak in feeble tones and with lots of hesitation that they don't seem to be confident about what they speak. They make a poor impression. So the manner in which you speak is important. Speak loud and clear in an audible voice so that every word you utter reflects your confidence. Instead of talking fast, speak clearly but slowly with intermittent pauses so that there is a conviction in what you say. Your confidence gets a boost when you see the listener listens to you in rapt attention and believes in what you say. So make conscious effort whenever you are speaking to someone. Initially, when you practice this, you may feel little awkward as you become self-conscious. But in due course, you will witness yourself becoming a confident personality. My third tip, be positive. How will you describe a glass half filled with water? There are 2 ways of looking at it. You can either say it is half full or half empty. Both are technically right. But how you perceive this holds the key to your overall personality. When you see that as a half-filled glass, then you have a positive perspective. When you see that as a half-empty glass, then it means you have a negative approach to life. There are some people who are bent on seeing only the bad side of the things. They find some fault with everything and anything, even with some good things. On the contrary, there are some who see only the positive side of the things. Such people have a positive outlook on life. They think positively and speak positively. If you also train yourself to be positive all the time, then your self-confidence will be at its peak all the time. So be positive, think positive. My fourth point, exercise regularly. We all know that there is a mind-body connection. The best way to improve your self-confidence is to exercise daily. I work out every day for 40 minutes and that keeps me energetic throughout the day and my confidence level is always at its peak throughout the day. I feel refreshed and relaxed after each workout session. The sense of achievement I derive from exercise keeps me self-confident and motivated. I am up for any challenge as I feel I am driven. Exercise does wonders to your body and mind. It keeps your body fit and strong. It relaxes your mind, reduces your anxiety, keeps you active, energetic, and as a bonus, you get an attractive physique too. Doesn't that sound exciting? I'm not advocating you to become a bodybuilder, but a daily routine of a sweaty workout is all that you need to be confident, energetic, and motivated throughout the day. Start exercising today, and I bet you will see the results for yourself very soon. Fifth tip, keep yourself well informed. Knowledge is power. When you realize that you are aware of many things, you will automatically feel very confident. As a student, being informed about what is there in the syllabus and being aware about how to study effectively. What are the important topics, what to study, and how to prepare a study plan are all very essential. That will make you a smart student rather than a hardworking student. It is precisely this knowledge that helps some students get good grades even though they spend very little time studying. They are able to sift through the information and categorize them according to their importance. This practical knowledge not only helps you in studies but also helps you in planning for the future and achieve in life. So keep yourself well informed. My sixth point, smile more often. Smiling may seem like a simple gesture, but do you know that it is the best facial exercise? When you smile, all the facial muscles are put to work and your face is toned and wrinkle free. Smiling also benefits the mind. Each time you smile, happy hormones like dopamine and endorphins are released in your brain. Dopamine is responsible for our experiencing happiness. Serotonin is mood stabilizer and keeps your anxiety levels at check and keeps you stress free. That is the reason that these two hormones are called as happy hormones. When these hormones are secreted, you instantly feel relaxed and your depression vanishes. Do you know the smile is contagious? When you are in a public place and if you see someone smiling and laughing, you involuntarily start smiling to yourself. When you talk to strangers, smile and talk and then see what happens. You will be surprised to see that they are also reciprocating with a smile. Smile is that powerful. When you smile more often, your self-confidence automatically shoots up. My seventh point, be well prepared. You are confident when you are well prepared and ready. Whenever you are faced with a challenge, it is crucial to make preparations well ahead of time so that you are ready and equipped to face it. The challenge may be anything from a difficult examination to an interview. Whatever the situation may be, you will easily succeed when you are ready. Whenever you are agitated and nervous before an event, if you observe, you will realize that you are not well prepared. You have not done your homework. Because if you are prepared and ready, you will not feel nervous, but instead you will be full of confidence and eager to meet the challenge. Whenever someone is successful, we attribute their success to their good luck. But if you observe closely, you can see that he was well prepared and waiting for the opportunity. And when it came, he was able to grab it and succeed. The same way, when you are ready and prepared, if an opportunity comes across and when you use it to your advantage, then that is called the luck factor. If you are not prepared, no matter how many opportunities pass you by, you will never be able to succeed. So be prepared and be ready for the opportunities. My eighth tip, never worry about how you look. You may be short or dark, or you may have some physical disability. Worrying about it doesn't help the matter in any way. People here in India desire to have a fair skin, but in many other countries, people go to great lengths to get tanned skin. They spend hours on the beach getting a sunbath. So it is all in the way, each one how they perceive themselves. So get rid of that inferior complex you have about your body. If someone body shames you, never take their words to your heart. Don't give attention to what others might think about you. Instead, focus on the positive feeling you have about you and your confidence level will never go down. Last point, be well dressed. A well dressed person looks confident and carries himself so well that he makes a good first impression. So take care to dress yourself properly and you will become instantly confident. It doesn't mean that you should wear only expensive clothes. All I am saying is that pay attention to your dress. Wear clean and well pressed clothes so that you have a neat appearance. Being well dressed will draw the right kind of attention onto you. When you get appreciative looks from others around you, you will naturally feel confident. You will then start liking yourself. Thank you for watching this video until the very end. If you think this video is helpful, then comment, like, share with your friends and consider subscribing this channel and hit the bell notification. See you in my next video.